Hello everyone, I'm Philip Duncan. Thanks for joining us. We're tracking a cold change on its way. It's not very cold. Considering we're in the end of August, we should be getting much tougher cold changes, but we're not, and I'm not getting many complaints about it other than a few skiers who want more snow. So if you track the origins of this southerly change, and origins just means generally where is it coming from over a big sort of stretch of space. You can see here, this is really where it's coming from. South of Aussie, but not Antarctica. It's actually coming out of Aussie, but then there's this big long line of it here through the Southern Ocean area. That's where it cools down, and then it comes up and over us. So it is not brutally cold. It's not like it's coming off the ice shelf down here. It's more of a localized southerly wind, and that's why we're seeing temperatures drop, but not necessarily below average everywhere. So as we go through into Wednesday, you can see the southwest change on Wednesday with showers again around the north, that dark blue line indicating the colder air has spread up across us. So there might be some frost in the South Island, even with the wind. If the wind just comes back enough, frosty weather, -3 is potential through some inland areas, but by afternoon, those same winds could actually push you above average. So it is really not your normal cold change. By Thursday, another surge of colder weather moves up to the north here. A burst of downpours, maybe some hail and isolated squall, even a chance of some thunder, although it'll be pretty isolated as we've seen this week. Still a little cold around the country. Southerly winds moving up around Canterbury will make sure of another cool day for you. But again, the afternoon might warm up as those winds kind of ease a wee bit. Now towards the end of the week, we're definitely leaning warmer than average. In true spring-like style, that sou'wester, it's gone, and it swings back up here to the northwest. So it becomes a mild nor'wester. Eastern and northern areas will be enjoying that warm change as it comes through. And as we go into the weekend, in comes another cold front, another surge of wind. There probably will be a couple of isolated thunderstorms as we go from that mild change to another colder southerly change. And in the south, you have a proper sort of southerly flow. Good news, might bring in a few showers into Canterbury, which would be welcome. And our final map for Sunday shows it all departing away. The winds in the South Island already, after that cooler change, swinging back around to northwest, so another sign that spring's with us. And we've got a high up here tracking along to the north that will later on bring in nor'westers as we go into the start of September. So as we go into September, it doesn't look too bad. We've got our next climate update brought to you by IBM and ruralweather.co.nz. That'll be issued next Monday. I'll do a video for it so you can see for it then. And in the meantime, go to ruralweather.co.nz for the latest data and Weather Watch for the latest news, including the breaking news yesterday that the boss of Met Service quietly resigned 2 months ago. One of our largest government agencies, one of the most popular government agencies, not a word in any media outlet about it. Really quite stunning. So we've got a story on that. Met Service now being run by their accountant, by their chief financial officer, as they scramble to find a replacement. So some changes going on at Met Service that are newsworthy at the moment. That is all from me. We'll see you again tomorrow.